Hey, it's Marco from Splitfire. Today we're going to look at the 4090 chipper again, and we're going to look at the 3 chip exhaust options for this machine. Now this is the standard deflector that comes with the machine, but you can also get an exhaust chute option and also an exhaust hose kit option. And so we have a little over 300 trees in this property that we've planted since we were kids, and so we have lots of trees that always need trimming. So today we're going to put the options in the machine, show you the pros and cons, and you can make your decision from there. So the hose kit option is really great when you're using a trailer. Now bear in mind that if you want to pull a trailer, you also need to get the hitch option for the 4090 chipper. On the bottom of the hose kit, we have the lower housing, which is attached via some quick clamps. So let's say you're dumping the chips out of the trailer, or you have a jam or you've overloaded the machine, you can simply remove this housing, clear the obstruction, or dump the chips in the trailer, hook it back up in a couple seconds, and you're good to go again. You'll see the hose is a clear hose, so that if there's a billet of material in here or a jam, you'll be able to visually see it. And on the top of the hose kit, we have a deflector to position the chips farther in the back of the trailer or in the front of the trailer, depending on how your setup is. And so this is the chute kit. Now the chute kit is similar to what we call like a hose kit, I guess, but it's just more versatile. You could hook it behind a trailer like this, or you could take the trailer off, you could dump it into, let's say, a wheelbarrow or a Kubota bucket. What you could also do too is just have the machine by itself on the ground. You could just be towing a trailer, pull up alongside, fill the trailer up, and keep looping around, sort of thing. So the chute kit is a full metal piece. It has, similar to the hose kit, it's going to have latches on the bottom for a quick disconnect if there is an obstruction. And you'll also notice that on the back it's fairly open. That way there's no chance past this point for it to build up. And on the top we also have a deflector to adjust where you're going to shoot your chips. this is the small chute that comes with the machine as a standard item. This is a little chute that is great for, let's say, rental shops to keep things really simple, or for a homeowner that's just spraying the chips right out on the ground behind the machine to rake them up at a later date, or if they're just blowing the chips right into a tall grassy area where they can just leave the chips and move on.